Okay, guys. Hello guys, it's been a while since I posted a last video. Sorry, I got sick for 2 days, but I'm okay now. So today I'm going to show you how to make this Blood Moon Jhin Mask from cardboard. So we'll be making this today. So ready your cardboard and start the video. Alright, so what we need to do is print the file, the mirrored and the original file. As always, we will start with the original file. Put the 3 pages together like this. As you can see, I'm using a recycled paper. Let me just get my glass cutting board and let's start to cut out some patterns. And ready your cardboard because we are going to paste it. Now all we need to do is paste it in the cardboard. Now I'm using this kind of cylinder shaped bottle. Is this for t-shirt printing? So I use it as the paper on the cardboard. So we are done with the original pattern. Now all we need to do is do this to the mirrored printed file. Okay. Now I also place the mirrored pattern on the cardboard that we used earlier. Now all you need to do is cut out the pattern. Now separate the mirrored file and the original file. And now we will start with the original file. Now follow these steps. Okay, we will start from bottom to top, or I will say it's from Joe to Horn. Alright, Jorn. It's Jorn. Now, okay guys, sorry for I haven't been uploading lately because I was sick for 2 days. Now I'm okay. Now, and I will continue on making videos. So aside from that, Tilt Wildred says that he will extend the giveaway. So the giveaway will be moved at May 25. That would be tomorrow. So if you're lucky, you'll get a skin of your choice. So be sure to follow the steps so you can join the giveaway. So that's the... Okay guys, aside from the Blood Moon Mask, I would like to make some like the skin line of the project, like Project Yasu, Project Ash. I would like to make a Project Ash bow because Ash bow is cool, right? Also, we've hit a 500 likes and 500 plus follow on our page JetCraps on Facebook. So I'm still in the top fan request. So if you're a top fan of JetCraps, you can request for a video tutorial. If I can make it, I will make it. But if I can't, so I can do it, right? If you can't do a thing, why wouldn't you do that? So if I can make that request, I would do it. But if I can't, maybe try another request. Okay? So be sure to hit a tap and badge on JetCrap page, and also follow that page, man. If you're not in follow or you haven't liked JetCraps, be sure to, because I post update there. So if you're wondering what I will be posting next, or I will be making a tutorial on, it's on that page. So visit JetCraps on Facebook so you are updated on my next video. Okay, so for those who comment on my post on Facebook, I sure read your comments, guys, don't worry. So if you keep commenting, maybe I'll make the request and the comment you suggested. Like sometimes they want Timo. On this mask, I've used a clear coat of Bosny. I use this to make this mask more, I don't know, saturated, so it pop-ups the color, so we can see the color, right? Because if I didn't add this, the color would fade, like, yeah, ugly. But here we go, we've finished the mask, so we now have a Blood Moon mask, Jhin Blood Moon mask. Hope you guys like this tutorial. Hit that like button, subscribe, share, follow JetCraps on Facebook. Maybe win the giveaway. You can have a free skin of your choice. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye bye.